very intense flat ride.
It's officially night time now and all the lighting packages are on.
Hello there guys, welcome back to CoasterHype. Troy here, and today we are down at Adventure Island for their last day of the 2024 season. Not only are we going to get down there and get on the rides using our annual pass for the last time, but we're also going to check out the finale of the fireworks at about 7:30 tonight. And I'm also going to bring you an insight into Devil's Dance, which is now finally reopened, also known as Dragon's Claw, or that's what it used to be known as. So we're going to have a look at that in the daytime and at night with the lighting.
It's still quite early in the afternoon, it's about 2:30, but the lights have all come on because it's quite a miserable day in November here. And here we are actually, just in time. We've got Devil's Dance starting up.
Oh, here we go. Oh, upside down. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. I'm enjoying it. Oh. It's definitely intense. Most intense flat for sure. Short cycle, but intense enough to warrant it. So I just had my first ride there on Devil's Dance. It's a very intense flat ride. Previously known as Dragon's Claw. I probably last went on it when I was about 12. Cycle is a little short, but then for an intense ride like that, I think it's more than enough for maybe people who are younger and on that ride. And also, I will say the dispatch time is quite slow, but they have to manually balance sort of the seats, so that adds about 5 minutes onto every dispatch. It's great to have it open. Obviously we've seen it in parts the last few times I've done videos here, so it's great to have it open, have another flat ride. Definitely one of the more intense, that and Axis obviously being probably the scariest rides here at the park. I'm giving it full thumbs up, just a little bit of a longer cycle for me.
Now that we've been on the new ride, we're going to go to the old new ride, Vertigo. Vertigo, of course, opened here in the springtime at SBF Visa Drop Tower. Let's jump on. Nice to get a ride there on Vertigo. A great family edition. It's not too thrilling of a drop tower. Got a good amount of time at the top, rotating, and a good few bounces back up and down. Really enjoy it for what it is, which is a family thrill drop tower. Well, I've just come off Rage here, and there's no denying that that's a Gerstlauer. You can feel it in the rattle. Obviously, it's over, when was it, 2008 or 9? So that makes it over 15 years old. So you're starting to feel it a little bit. You just got to put your head forward. But yeah, whew, shook me up a little. Good ride though. It's officially night time now, and all the lighting packages are on. Time for Axis. It's the Grinch, Adventure Island. Here with my coffee, waiting for the fireworks. It's nearly 7:30 and I've just come outside Adventure Island. We've got quite a crowd gathering here, all up these stairs and this viewing tower, jam-packed with people. We've got a lovely view of Adventure Island and the fireworks are going to be in the sky behind. We're off. No introduction. One explosive finale. I think the boat might even still be on fire. So then guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. I've had a great day here today. Obviously got my first ride in on Devil's Dance, which is reopened again after years of maintenance. The good thing about this park is that it closes at 10 PM, which I think is actually the latest across most of the UK. Also, the atmosphere tonight was really good. It's the end of the season, we had the fireworks and the lights switch on in the high street, so it was buzzing, everybody in a good mood towards the end there. 2024 is a season for Adventure Island. I think it's been a real positive one. Of course, we had the new ride Vertigo go up, which I made some videos on the channel. And then also we've now got the opening of Devil's Dance towards the end of the season, ready for 2025. Hopefully we'll see Time Machine open as soon as the season starts and kick things off with a high. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Troy from CoasterHype. Catch me in 2025 for some more Adventure Island content along with loads of other coasters and theme parks. And I'll see you in the next one.